Guys, I'm done with the engine stuff, so now we're gonna move on to Adam's nonsense here. And nonsense, I'm being sarcastic, but we're gonna see if this wheel fits that front Acura spindle. Or hey, do what you did with the other one. Just there you go. I think it's gonna fit just fine, dude.
I think it's super close. I think it'll work. Hold on. Yeah.
Oh no, it's fine. It's like literally, it's close, but
No, it's scraping in the front.
is it scrape?
I think it is. Hold
Should we
on.
put some lug nuts on?
Yep. I think it's scraping, maybe not.
Now you need the impact.
I got it right there.
Now, hang on. Are we?
Maybe not.
I think you're fine. That's just the drum rubbing on the brake pads.
Yeah.
Dude.
Supposedly this caliper is supposed to be bigger.
I mean, you didn't even have it's close. It's real close, but it's not hitting anything.
Right, just leave my steelies.
Yeah.
Oh, no wheels, except tires.
Oh, Adam, you had a problem with the e-brake cable on the other side.
Yeah, I did.
So you're not going to have a problem on this side.
Oh no, Jerry, I'm gonna cut the e-brake cable. What should I do? And so I was like, why would you do that? Cause it's the wrong one. It won't work with the disc brake. Shut up. Remember to wear safety gear when you're doing this. Don't follow our examples.
Yeah, we got our safety squints on.
Yeah, viewer discretion. Fuck! That's not a problem. You're like, wow.
So literally, tubes, all you gotta do, so we're just swapping in this beam. So you undo that guy there.
This guy.
I knew
there's
that guy.
2 bolts here. These are 18s.
Yeah.
The rest of these are all 14s.
Yeah.
So you're gonna do 14 here, 14 here. So what's gonna happen is with the disc brake conversion, the proportioning valve for a drum vehicle is 1-to-1 when it finally basically equalizes pressure 1-to-1. So basically, you push the pedal, brake fluid goes to your proportioning valve, and then it waits till the pressure equalizes between the front and the rear, and then it lets it go. Then it's just open. So these will just work. You
Don't have to swap the proportioning valve.
basically go to the yard, find an Acura, get the e-brake cables, the brake line.
Which literally just transfers over to a drum car.
Yes, it's literally really stupid. Where's my...
And this would be a good time to replace all the bushings, but we're kind of doing this a little prematurely. We'll deal with it later.
The brakes in these are actually hooched.
Yeah, he was having some little scratchy madoos, and we're like, hey, just...
Send it.
I mean, these got, what, 20% left? We can just pad slap it later.
Yeah, we can milk this brake because it's more, because one side was pretty much 0%. It was so worn down. I think either the auto adjuster was sticking or it was maladjusted on one side. Something was funny. It was breaking on
They're
one
done.
side. It was just done.
It's time to swap it.
So I'm gonna get the working here.
So he's going to fight with all that. You know, I'm gonna actually put this on the tripod and do a little thingamadoo.
Yeah, because we need a cheap car Sunday.
Yeah.
see we got our rear disc brakes installed. No longer drums. We had to come creative to have a pin, like to make a cotter pin basically for the e-brake cable, because I don't know what happened to the one I had. It was in the toolbox and it disappeared. So shoved that in there, pulled it over, and it's pretty much freaking solid. E-brakes work great. Cables, routing them, that's okay. Getting them up into their proper positions. There's an exhaust shield that you're gonna have to take off when you put the cables in, but it's really straightforward. Just follow the old cables, follow the same routing. It's really not that hard. Okay, before we got interrupted, so we installed the front big brakes on this guy. I'm just doing an update about this. This is really straightforward. You take the old knuckle out, you put the new knuckle in, you bolt it all back in again, you put the brake lines, but make sure you use the lines from the Acura. Other than that, it's straightforward. It's the same spline count. There's really no screwing around. I mean, these calipers huge, but it fits perfect in my Steely, so it doesn't scrape. So, but beware if you hit certain, like the HX rims, if you have the NHX or some certain Honda size 14s will scrape. You'll need a proper spacer and not washers. So now, we're gonna cut a muffler off. Oh yeah, bound. Delivery truck, doom.
It'd be real nice if I got my replacement fan for my air conditioner that I broke.
Oops.
At this point, it doesn't even matter. It falls around the corner, and fuck it. I'll just deal with it next year. You know, I'll probably just buy a whole nother one, and just that one will monkey fuck, and then slam in a fake door back there for next time.
We'll fix that one and fuck it.
Yeah.
Sounds good to me. I need a tripod. Let's see.
That's the best part when you have money. And you're just like...
God, my motorcycle sounds great. You're like, ew! Didn't it?
Yeah, and also there was tons of shit flying out of that thing.
Really?